Hi guys, how are you? My name is Akshay. As you know, I live in Czech Republic last 10 years and today I want to take you to the Indian restaurant in Prague. The name of the restaurant is Bites of India. So we will go there and taste the food and let you know how the food is it. Is it good or not? And I will tell you. So please do not forget to subscribe me, follow me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and for more upcoming videos because I wanna show you through my AK vlogs all Europe, more excited places, and of course Europe have a history. So I will cover everything. Let's come follow for Indian restaurant. I will show you. Come and then we will go there and I'll show you. Please come. Let's go. Ciao. See you. What can we do? Almost 15 minutes. No.
I would not recommend anyone to try this biryani. I don't like this. I will not come back.
Phone call. So I will talk with them because they can tell us what they have. So we don't need to wait too much. Take a lunch and go.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Let's do that.
Yeah. If they answer right now, it's okay. Otherwise, we can make another phone call and see. Otherwise, we are going, man. It's okay. We can have a ride if we don't got the food.
That's true.
Yeah.
Man, this guy, what's happening with you?
देखो जी प्राग का वेदर 16 डिग्री टेम्परेचर. It's gonna be rain today, I guess.
देखो वहाँ पे टेक अवे लिखा है ऊपर. लोग आ रहे हैं.
Prague is never empty, you know, in traffic. चलो अब हम चलते हैं बिनहोर राडी में ना.
हाँ.
या तो ये है सामने जो आप
वही
देख रहे हो.
शॉप.
हाँ
वही शॉप देखो सेम. अच्छा तो है वो.
हाँ ये जो सामने आप देख रहे हैं इसका नाम है मैनिफेस्ट मार्केट. यहाँ पे ना अलग अलग की कुजीन्स है जो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर वन प्लेस पे. और देखो सामने क्या लिखा है 88 फ्रेश व्हीट.
अच्छा लग रहा है ये भी.
Yeah.
देखो बिलबोर्ड.
कोनोपनी
अच्छे
और सामने आपके है एंजल.
यहाँ पे रंगोली है.
रंगोली तो यहाँ पे है, इस हाथ पे है शायद से ना, मेरे हिसाब से तो यही है रंगोली. ये ना रंगोली इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट. और यार ये ना नान खिलाते हैं. नान नहीं खाने ना हमें, हमको खाना है रोटी. और भाई वो सच्ची में उसकी रोटी तो खाएगा ना प्रॉपर घर की याद आएगी कि घर वाली रोटी मिल रही है. बस वो रोटी के चक्कर में जा रहा हूँ मैं, नहीं तो कौन जाएगा मैं 8 किलोमीटर. तो ये बात है. अभी हम जा रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स टू डांसिंग बिल्डिंग. डांसिंग हाउस तांचिनी डूम. ये देखो जी अब हम आ गए नियर बाय रिवर बैंक.
वाओ.
ये देखो होटल एडमिराल. यहाँ पे आप रह भी सकते हैं, खा भी सकते हैं, थोड़े बहुत पैसे खराब भी कर सकते हैं.
रह भी सकते हैं.
मतलब वहाँ पे पीछे कैफेटेरिया है, उसके पीछे छोटी सी उबितोवानी है, स्मॉल अकोमोडेशन. वहाँ आप रह भी सकते हो बट वहाँ पे आप बर्बाद भी हो सकते हो. कैसीनो भी है. तो अब आपको दिखाते हैं आगे का व्यू. तो आप देखते रहो पूरा बाहर का व्यू. मैं शीशा साफ कर दूं आपके लिए थोड़ा सा. आई कैन क्लीन द मिरर फॉर यू. तो ये प्राग है जी, ब्यूटीफुल प्राग. और एक डांसिंग बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पर वो, बट इट्स नेवर डांस. उसका नाम रखा है डांसिंग. थोड़ी सी बिल्डिंग उसकी शेप डांसिंग वाली है.
तो वो रहा
आपको-
डांसिंग बिल्डिंग जो.
Yeah, you can see in front of you that is a dancing building. That one, yeah. And on your left hand side behind there is a Prague castle. सामने चरना वेयर्स. आप आर्किटेक्ट देखो. Look at the architect, so beautiful. There you will see rare balconies. You can show the beauty of Czech Republic, you know. And you can show also Indian beauty over there. You see Indians, they don't care about history but they need pictures. You know. Same here, me too. हम भी इंडियन है भाई. हम हैं हिंदुस्तानी.
The best places.
Yeah, don't take cafeteria down but go inside and take an elevator and go
top.
up on top. Prague traffic, man, that's very important. Everybody said there is no traffic.
And what cars they have here?
Yeah, these are the common cars, man. Everything.
People are visiting the church,
Church, you know.
taking the blessing of Jesus Christ.
And you know, this is one of the most like a visited local pub. इस pub को Czech language में कहते हैं hospoda. Here people come for having a beer because it's very famous. You know, old people, especially old people, come here for drinking a beer. And also that this is also a church. You know, people go there, and many people coming here. I also don't know why, but they go inside and spending a good time, good spot. Going on second one, Vinhoradi. There we will see if the restaurant is open and they are serving that food what I wanted.
Correct.
So we can have. Oh my God! Look at this beauty.
And John Reed is here.
It's over there, I guess, right?
Yep.
Oh, look at that beautiful building.
Maybe it's a church as well.
Yeah, it's a church. Look at the trams. Yes, Czech Republic, it is one of the oldest tram in Czech Republic and still working. Look at this tram, beautiful. Public transport is one of the best transport in Europe. And if you take turn left and go 50 meters, and on the left hand side there's a very good bar. It's called Gossip Bar. Gossip Bar. You can have gossip, talk, everything over there. Whenever anybody come Prague and they are craving for drinks, good drinks. Czech Republic, of course, you can get drink everywhere. But if you want a good drink with love, so come Gossip. They will prepare for you. वो देखो वो कैन को उन्होंने कैसे लिखा हुआ बीफ ईटर देखो कैन का कैसे ढंग से यूज कर रखा है ये देखो और अभी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा आई विल शो यू व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू ऑफ म्यूजियम you know museum it will come on the way so we will show as well but it's a tram the thing is people are walking very less over there look at the trams एक आ रही है और एक जा रही है yeah Paul is over there you can have a good
Paul,
pastry
it's a bakery.
yeah you can have a good pastry okay. I think I was there 6 months ago so let's have today
Their logo is very good.
yeah this is like a very like
Looks
a posh yeah and very simple and
Better
posh.
than Link 86.
For Paul is a black theme with light and having a this words Paul. Simple, innocent and elegant. Dekho, this is the new tram. You can also make advertisement there, pay some money and they can advertisement your product or your shop, whatever.
For how much?
This you need to ask to the transport ministry. Right in front of you. It's a museum. Look at the view. I can clean the window now.
Exactly.
I'm in mirror, sorry. You can look at the view. Beautiful. This is a back side of museum. And it's a public place. Whenever you come to Prague, of course, everybody will tell you to go and visit museum. But I'm telling as well. Go visit, take good picture. And if you love to know history, so that is a good spot for you. Actually, Europe have a lot of histories. So it will be very great. Look at this. This is the benefit of tram. We are in traffic. Tram already took a different route and gone. And look at the traffic. Because this road connecting to different cities and go to Dresden, Germany, straight. If you go 100 kilometers straight, you will enter into different city which is called Ustin nad Labem. And after 30 kilometers, you will enter in Germany. Here you can take a train for Germany, Austria, Slovakia, wherever you want to go another Schengen countries, you can take a train from here. We are going towards to Žižkov and Vinhoradi, the sign on top. Prague is clean, yeah? It's clean, you can see. No garbage on street. I mean, there are garbages, but not too much as other places. In Europe, If you go to Paris, man, you can see. Oh fuck, dirtiness everywhere. Going towards to this is Žižkov, but we are going towards to Vinhoradi. So let's take this route. भाई इस जगह पे बहुत सारे इंडियंस भी रहते हैं. हर different countries के लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं. Indians, American, Australians, from everywhere, all over the world. So finally we
are here. It's this one, the small trucks.
Yeah.
And this, it's Bites
So
of India.
this restaurant looks like that. You can show them here.
Wow.
The Bites of India, Praha.
Open for dine-in.
Okay, so let's park the car here and go for dine. We are close. What can we do? But on the Google it's showing it's open. So it's their mistake, you know. They have to mention correct timing. Now we can go to the different restaurant. It's called Lal Kila. So we can go there and have some food because I'm hungry, you know. I'm starving. I want to eat something. This is Caravan. This is very good for long trips. If you want to go for trip with your friend or with your girlfriend or whatever, you can have a very good time in this Caravan. Stop wherever you want, do whatever you want, enjoy nature, have fun. Cheers. Look at the Prague Castle in front of me. Right. So there is Lal Kila. Lal Kila is over there in this key restaurant. Let's go there. It's a little bit safe, you know. Wow, beautiful man. I have been many times, but yeah. So they had some party, I guess that's why they have a buffet. But we are going to ask where we can sit and have nice lunch. Stay tuned, I'll show you what we will order and you can also enjoy through my videos. If you like the video, like, share and comment. Thank you. Please. Yeah. Hello. Namaste. It's let's have a look. मैंने तो choose कर लिया what I want. I will take Punjabi dal tadka and tandoori roti. This is what I want to eat. He forget to burn the candle, so I will burn it by myself for us. So we ordered as a snack samosa and chili papad. I will tell you कि टेस्ट फर्क कैसा है in India and here. If it's spicy or not spicy, I will tell you. Just stay tuned and I will show you. Cheers. भूख लग रही है बहुत ज़्यादा. Almost 15 minutes. No samosa. Let's wait. I'm hungry too much. सच्ची में मैं बहुत hungry हूँ. I'm ready.
Let's try.
थोड़ा ऐड करो. It's simple, you know. Just onion and also green chili और थोड़ा सा मसाला. That's it. It's nothing special. But it's okay. I'm hungry. And how much is it?
I think it's 85.
And you know this only two papad is 85 dirham, which is around how much in Indian money?
300 rupees.
300 rupees something. Very expensive. Not worth it. Papad. So let's try samosa. Garam. I will try and tell you if it's good or not. Look guys, I will be honest with you. I ordered 2 plates of samosa. One plate keep 2 samosas, but we are 3 people. And one plate cost us 70 or 75 Czech crowns, I don't know, which is about 250 Indian rupee.
300 rupees.
300 rupees, sorry. But I think it's not worth it. It's not spicy at all. There is nothing, just only potatoes and little bit peas. That's it. And they are charging so much, and it's deep fry. You can see it's deep fry, you know. So for me, just I'm hungry, I'm eating, but it's not worth it. Deep fry. Indian samosa is something different, which I can say I ate twice good samosa in Europe. One I was eating in Croatia, in Zagreb. That was quite good, very good, authentic Indian one. And once I tried in Luxembourg recently, let's say a month ago. That was also very good. But this one, no. Hungry only, I'm eating. So finally, dal tadka aa gaya. Looks good. थोड़ा डालते हैं. Dal is very good. अच्छी है दाल, but they can also add little bit spicy. They can see us we are Indian, you know, but they didn't because of course for a European style. But accurate and best दाल जो मैंने खाई थी प्राग में, I was eating in Carlin. The name of the restaurant is India by Nature. They were making a very good dal, authentic Indian dal, accurate spices, accurate salt, everything accurate. उसको खा के तो मजा आ गया कि मैंने कोई पिंड की दाल खाई है. पर ये भी अच्छी है, ठीक है, बट दे कैन ऐड लिटिल बिट मोर स्पाइसी एंड मोर तड़का, यू नो. पंजाबी तड़का, दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर पंजाबी तड़का. कुक्ड वेरी वेल, अरोमा ऑल्सो, बट थोड़ा थोड़ा सा नमक कम है, मिर्च कम है, वो फील हुआ. अदरवाइज इट्स ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू? यू लाइक द बिरयानी?
I think this biryani is 7 out of 10.
Why?
The quality of prawns is good, but the rice is not the
well cooked.
best. It's not well cooked. So I would not recommend anyone to try this biryani. I would recommend to try
Chicken curry,
it's-
something like
this
that.
is much better.
Can I try one spoon? Tell my opinion. You are right.
But it's okay.
No,
It's okay.
it's okay. And it's also not very warm, you know, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold. It's not very warm.
Not very
And राइस पूरे ढंग से वो पके नहीं है. स्टिल कच्चा कच्चा. तंदूरी रोटी. Let's take a bite. ठीक है, भूख लग रही है. और वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट करना. थैंक यू.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा चीप वाला डाल दिया है, मतलब बस ये डाल दिया है. सो इन लोगों ने मिश्रण डाला नहीं जिससे माउथ फ्रेशनर थोड़ा वो आता है. ये तो बहुत बेकार है. आई डोंट लाइक दिस. आई विल नॉट कम बैक. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.
सही हो गया. गाड़ी बाहर पार्क, थोड़ी वॉक भी हो गई. यू कैन हैव अ गुड वॉक, यू नो. कार इज पार्क्ड हियर. I have a chemical store. Hi guys, let's talk again about food. So you saw the video, we went to the Indian restaurant. We come for different restaurant, but unfortunately that restaurant was closed, so we went to different restaurant. Actually the food was so-so. It was not very good and very bad. I will say so-so, as I told you there, I explained you there. But next time I will take the fantastic Indian restaurant where they have authentic Indian meal. So keep following me, subscribe, like and share the videos for more new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.